Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here the special video because it's the first review on the channel. So today we are going to review and test the studio microphone set by Yenkee, which you can find on Vrious eShops for less than $50. So let's check it out. So as we can see, we can find in the box the microphone Yenkee Ymc 1030 plus the whole microphone set, as we can see on the cover. Also, as we can see, the microphone is primarily oriented for the streamers, but you can use it for vlogging, podcasting and gaming too. Now we can check out how the box looking like. So this is the front side, this side, nobody cares about it basically. But when we turn it to the back, we can see a lot of stuff here. We can see how it should look like when we build the whole set. We can see what we can find in the box and the polar pattern of the microphone. What is it like recording? So let's go to unboxing. Okay, so let's open it here and let's look what's inside. First of all, put somewhere else this white sheet. Then what we got here? We got here the basically manual where we can find everything we need in many languages. Then we got here the pop filter and wind cover, but basically when you want to use the microphone inside, you don't need a wind cover, but still we can see it's a little bit like damaged, but it's not damaged, in just, you know, a little bit pushed. So the pop filter is quite solid and quite a bit, I have to say. I expected it a little bit smaller, but still looking great. Okay, some cables. As we can see, classic microphone connector, and on the other side we got 3.5mm jack. So nextly we got here a few more cables, just, you know, if you would need. Nextly we got here a microphone stand, aka spiderweb, to which you can put your microphone and it will hold it. Quite a solid, it's quite a heavy, have to say, but looks good. Nextly we got here table clamp with which you can nextly hold the shock mount, and we got the microphone here. So this is basically for what we are looking for. As we can see, the Yenkee Ymc 1030. It's not too big, it's not too small. I think it's accurate size. It's quite a heavy, full metal build, I would call it, and I don't know, looks good. Let's see nextly in the video how it's gonna sound. So, and the last part of the box, of the set, of the kit, we got here shock mount. So let's open it and let's see how it looks like. So basically it's completely classic shock mount. So we can see here a few strings, and okay, looks good. So let's see how it looks like all together built, not connected to a computer yet, but we can check how it looking like all together. We can see that the pop filter is a little bit bigger than I would expect, but if it's gonna do what it's gonna do, I think it's good. For the price, less than €50, I think it's great. So let's go straight to the test of the microphone. Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. This is the test of the Ymc 1030 Yenkee microphone. Basically, to be honest, the whole this video was recorded on this microphone, so but this is how it's gonna be straight from the software. No edit, no noise reduction, no equalizer, nothing. Straight sound from the microphone. So this is the test of the microphone. If you like it, And if you like this video, please hit the like button or write a comment, whatever. Thanks for watching. If you want more review videos, except from tutorial videos, just hit the like button and maybe subscribe to I know that okay, you like those kind of videos, and we can do something similar next time. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, and see you at another video, I guess.